good day. Today we're having a look at these. These are Instant Reusable Heat Packs, and they're quite impressive little things. You've got this little metal button in here that you press and it will activate it. So what I'll do, I'll get one activated and then I'll explain what these things are actually made of. If I can get it right, there it goes. You'll see the reaction starting now. So what powers a reusable heat pack is a supersaturated solution of sodium acetate trihydrate. Now, to activate the exothermic chemical reaction, you need a seed crystal of hydrated salt to start the whole process. This initial seed crystal is created by clicking the little metal activator, which is what I've just done up in this top corner. And it's found inside the sealed bag, which is I've just told you about. Now, by flexing the small flat-notched ferrous metal disc, which is embedded in the liquid, it will release the adhered crystals of sodium acetate into the solution, and they will act as a nucleation site for the crystallization of the sodium acetate into hydrated salt. Now, it's quite impressive, and it's simply because the liquid is supersaturated. This makes the solution crystallize suddenly, thereby releasing the energy of the crystal lattice. So as you can see, it's working, and it works really well. The temperature in here itself, once the solution is activated, it starts to effectively heat the pack in under roughly 15 seconds. This chemical reaction generates roughly 54.5 degrees Celsius, which is around 130 degrees Fahrenheit, and it'll last somewhere between 45 minutes and up to 1.5 hours, depending on the size of the packs themselves. Now, this entire process can simply be reversed by placing the pack itself that's been used into boiling water and then drop it back to a simmer. Now, you let it simmer for approximately 5 to 10 minutes or until the pack is clear. This way the sodium acetate will be dissolved once again into a supersaturated liquid solution, which means this pack can be used over and over without any need to replace it. So it's a mighty impressive little system, this. Now, it's been boiling for about 10 minutes, give or take, and as you can see, it's completely dissolved all the salts that are in there. So we're going to take it over and empty it out now. Just turn off the heat, and here we go. We'll pour out all the water. As you can see, a nice big pile of steam coming off. And this will be nice and hot, as they say, which is too hot for my fingers. Whoa, that burns. But anyway, as you can see, it's completely rejuvenated and ready to be used again. Now, my final conclusion for these things. I've owned one, the small one. I've owned this for 3-4 years now. I'm very happy with it. In fact, it's so much so I've gone out and got a larger one. If you haven't got one of these in your kit, your medical kit, go get one. You won't regret it. Now, for those of you that haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider. If you consider giving me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. Thumbs down, don't care, whichever way you want to go. Leave a comment if you like. I won't say no to that either. Anyway, all the very best. Hopefully I'll catch you on the very next video. Take care. Bye.